What if you could turn a magnet on and off with a switch? It sounds impossible, but electricity can actually create magnetism. A magnet made using electricity is called an electromagnet. And electromagnets are hiding inside many of the machines we use every day. An electromagnet starts with something very simple, a piece of insulated copper wire. When electric current flows through a straight wire, it creates a magnetic field around the wire. But one straight wire produces a relatively weak magnetic field. So we can make the magnetic effect stronger by wrapping the wire into many loops. Each loop creates its own magnetic field around the wire. When all the loops work together, their magnetic fields combine to create a stronger field. Now place an iron core inside the coil, and the electromagnet becomes even stronger. The magnetic field from the coil magnetizes the iron core while electric current is flowing. And here's the really useful part. We can control the magnet by controlling the electricity. Switch the electricity on, and the electromagnet attracts magnetic materials such as iron and steel. Switch the electricity off, and the magnetic effect becomes much weaker. This means an electromagnet can pick something up, move it, and then release it whenever we want. One impressive example is the giant electromagnets used by scrapyard cranes. When the crane's electromagnet is switched on, it can lift huge pieces of steel. Switch it off, and the steel drops away. But electromagnets are not only used in scrapyards. They are also found inside electric bells, speakers, relays, and electric motors. Inside a speaker, an electromagnet helps move a thin cone backwards and forwards to create sound. Inside an electric motor, electromagnets help create the forces that make the motor spin. The strength of an electromagnet can also be changed. Adding more loops of wire can make the magnetic field stronger. Increasing the electric current can also make the magnetic field stronger. And using an iron core can greatly increase the strength of the electromagnet. So a simple coil of wire can become a powerful and controllable magnet. The key idea is that moving electric charge creates a magnetic field. This connection between electricity and magnetism is called electromagnetism. It is one of the reasons electricity can make machines move, speakers produce sound, and cranes lift enormous pieces of metal. And it all begins with a simple idea. Electricity can create magnetism.